Alright, so this is the grill that we'll be installing. I really like this grill. It's definitely way different than the stock grill on here, and I think it's going to look real good. We're going to paint this one up. We'll probably put some white rhino liner on it or something like that, but that's the grill. It comes with the wiring harness for the 4 lights, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4 lights in the grill. All your push pins, your insulation guide, and then this is probably the rubber seal for the top of the grill where it touches the hood. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing painted up before we install it, and let's go do that, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, so we got the grill back. It came out really nice. I think that's going to make a huge difference on the front of the truck. As you can see, it's excuse me, it's rhino lined or you know, coated, whatever it is. I think that should look real nice once we get it installed. The accents of the lights look real good. I couldn't be more happy with the results that we got from this, and we're going to go ahead and put it on. Before we go ahead and install, I just wanted to show you, I just put some zip ties on the lines on all the wires here. I just zip tied them right to the back of the lights here. Basically what that's going to do is when you install it, the wires are not hanging down and they're visible through the front here. So you don't want no wires showing, or else it just doesn't make a clean install. That's just a little quick pointer from me. Alright, so unfortunately we're going to have to say goodbye to the Christmas Jeep and get this thing ready to roll, get it trail ready. Alright, y'all, there it is, all installed, buttoned up, got the lights working. The only thing is, in the instructions it said hooked it up to the ACC. For some reason when I did that, my lights were on constantly, so I went ahead and put them on 17 on the Jeep JK, so they come on with the running lights. Looks real nice and sturdy, buttoned up. It don't move, it don't rattle. Perfect fit. So shout out to American Modified for their product and their quality. One of the things I just wanted to mention, this is quite simply one of the easiest upgrades you can do to your JK and make it, you know, look more aggressive and not look like every other JK on the road. So super impressive. I'll leave the link in the description for American Modified for this grill, as well as all their other awesome products. I really look forward to working with them more in the future. And don't forget, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the grill. Let me know if you think it looks good, if you have it, if you've purchased from American Modified or anything like that. But we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. And as always, hope to see everybody on the next video. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.